Alright everyone, we are go another new video. This video about the prompt engineering. As I promised yesterday, I upload this video today. So now here I'm here. So I just update this GitHub repository around 12 hours ago because I need to create this video. That's the reason I updated morning. So now is night time, so I'm just create this and just record this video, and I'm just going to upload it. So here is the AI prompt for beginner, AI prompt for business, AI prompt for this most we need to that. So we just show that in deeply data scientist and ML engineer, like machine learning engineer. AI prompt engineer for researcher, prompt for student, teacher, HR, human researcher, marketing and communication. So whatever. Here is the structure in this repository. I'm going to go in deep by deep. When you click there and you find this, and here is the MD file one, or another is PDF file. So MD file, you can, if you have any issue, you can here and you can change it. So that's the reason I create this MD file, or it is easy to understand. Let's see. This is the PDF, all same, everything is same. I'm sorry for this network. Okay, everything is same. I just show that. First of all, I show this everything. Okay, this is start quick, like role, contact, tasks, format, constraint. Okay, this is the example for beginner, example prompt for business, data science, just for this beginner to practice how to contribute like our prompt engineer this. Or if you like this, please give us store. Okay, let's see this prompt engineer book. This is kind of like a prompt engineer book. So here is the machine learning prompt engineering, is the role specific, is like how it's like that. Okay, data clean and pre-processing prompt. So here is the your data. This is the prompt, you just copy paste and go. Here is another specifically exploring data analysis, like data analysis. Okay, idiom, we just say this. Feature engineering, here the feature engineering, model building and debugging. Here is a model building, research paper and summarize. I love this, I use this advanced. And this is I want you explore there, you come here, and I also share this link in below. So I think you love to come here and receive this video. So no more today, bye. Come and visit this website, I hope you love that. So now I want to go end this video. See you again next video, bye.